Hi everyone, it's Josh Days from Specialty Product Sales, your virtual rep, here to talk to you about the DF-15DX spot weld drill from Dent Equipment.
One of my favorite features of this tool is how precisely you can dial in the depth that your bit will drill down to. By turning the blue ring, you determine where the drill bit stops, protecting the metal that you want to keep on the vehicle. Once you have the depth set, let her rip. You've only drilled through the layer you want to, and the panel beneath is in great shape.
Thanks for watching my virtual rep trick. Visit spsales.com or dentfix.com for more info. Leave a comment to let me know if you have any tricks of your own with the DF-15DX. Thanks.